guys, today I'm going to be preparing for you Jamaican style chicken liver and white rice. As you see here, I have my chopped liver, my diced vegetables. Most of the ingredients and seasoning I've already added off camera, but just to name a few, I have my brown in here, my paprika, my ginger powder, my chicken seasoning. I added some salt and some onion peppers as well. And I'm now adding my chopped vegetables, my carrots, my tomato, my sweet pepper, my thyme, and I'm just going to mix it in. I want everything to be incorporated evenly. Continue to mix it in again. So I already preheated my pot with oil and garlic, so I'm just now going to add my chicken liver and stir it in so it can be nice brown and caramelized. Alright, so at this point my liver is cooking down pretty nicely, so I'm just going to add back on the lid so it can cook down a little bit more. As you can see here, I have my pot with some water, some scallion and some butter, so I can just begin to prepare my rice. I already washed it off camera, so now I am going to, prepare my rice. Going to mix that around a little bit and have my salt added to give my pot a little bit more flavor. You can see here, this is the final product. I have my liver and rice with some tomatoes on the side. I hope you guys enjoy.